Hello guys, my name is Alvan and this is my first tutorial video on YouTube. I want to ask you a question. Have you ever edited a photo and you don't really know how to color grade the photo, mainly the skin tones? Well, your search ends here because on today's video I want to show you guys how to really color grade your pictures and correct the skin tones using Capture One. And without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're in the wonderful world of Capture One, and first of all, I want to create a new field adjustment layer so we can correct the exposure one, the exposures. So now I have my exposure one turn on, which you can turn off by clicking on it and turning it on. This red signs means that the exposure in the pictures is too much and we need to reduce it. So now I'm going to go to my exposure, go to my I'll go to my exposure, drag the exposure down. Okay, nice. Okay. So now I think it's okay. Let me try my shadows. Give me that a dark vibe. Go to my blacks. Okay, I think I like this setting, and this works perfectly for me. So next, we're going to the color grading of the skin tones. So now for that, I'm going to also create another adjustment layer, a new field adjustment layer. Click on it. Now I'm going to go to the area which says I'm going to look for my color editor around this section. Okay, this is my color editor. Maybe currently you didn't see this color editor. Let me see that the color editor is not here. Let me show an example. You're looking for your color editor. Color editor. Okay, see it here. Okay, let me say I accidentally removed it. My color editor is not here. Okay. Okay. Remove tool. Okay, now finally my color editor is not here and I'm looking for it to color grade the skin tone. So now what I will do is I'll right click on this area here and go to this add tool. I'll look for my color editor over here, then click on it. Then it appears down here. So now next I'll go to my skin tones, then click on this eyedropper tool here. So now what this skin tone does is it selects a particular area, a particular type of skin color that you want it to fill this to particular area to correct this skin tone. Let me see, since she has a kind of chocolate vibe, chocolate flavor, I'll kind of like choose this area, make it light a bit. Okay, this one is okay for me. So now to view what you have selected, all you have to do is to go to your view selected range, view selected color range. You click on it. Now what I've selected is the skin tone, this hair tie, and the beads. But not to worry, I can fix that later. So now I'll head over and click and unclick that selection. Now I'll go to my hue. I'll play with my hues. As you can see, as I'm dragging my hues here, it's giving me that yellowish vibe. If I drag it down, it's giving me that reddish vibe. You get more magenta. Okay, so now I want to take it down a bit. I don't want to have yellows on this model. Okay, so now I'm going to my saturation, take it up small. Okay, so now I'm going to edit my hues in the uniformity slider. I'll take my hues down. Okay, I'll go to my saturation. Okay, go to my saturation. Or is it it's too much for the picture? I'll take it down. take it down a bit, still too much. Okay, so next, okay, I think that is all for now. So now we can see our before, see our after. You can see that the skin tone is now uniformly corrected. Okay, it's before is the after, is before, after, before, after. So now coming to that correction of adding this head attire, all you have to do is to click on this your eraser tool, then hit M, then start brushing out this attire. Okay, but please, when you're doing it, be careful, extremely careful, not to as remove the some part of the model skin, that is the marks on top of the model skin. Okay, okay, now, okay, this is okay for me. So now I'll click on my end back. So this is the before, this is the after, before, after, before, after. Okay, I still need to work on my exposure. I'll click on the layer I used to correct the exposure, and I'll go back. I think I'll drag down the highlights. Okay, drag down the exposure a bit. Okay, so now we're done correcting the skin tone of this model. You can take a look at the before and the after. Okay, so that's how you color grade your skin tones using your capture one. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to others who really appreciate it, who actually learn from it. And I'll see you in further videos to come.